Excited to share this resource with you. If you go to launchpad.classlink.com/Shawnee and you sign in with your username and password for your computer or your email, you have access to a premium NewsELA pilot. And what's really great about this is it has some super great social studies resources. And so when you log in, you should see it looks kind of like a pause button to me, and it says NewsELA. And when you click on it, it should log you right in. You don't need a password or anything like that. And it pulls up all these different things over on the side: opinion articles, primary resources, fiction, all of that stuff. And when you click on browse, it will take you to a specific subject area. So ELA, science, social studies, social emotional learning. I'm particularly interested in social studies, so I'm going to click on the social studies. And you have all these different options. There's entire courses. I'm going to click on project-based learning for our purposes today, just to kind of show you. And I'm going to click on Cornerstone Activities. And so it gives you kind of an overview of this collection. You can save it, you can share it, you can make a copy of it for your account. But it goes into these different text sets that you have. And you scroll down, it's got like a mock trials text set. I'm going to click on the mock trials text set. And it gives you an activity implementation guide. It gives you a link to printable resources. It gives you articles that you can assign, all those different things. You can choose the different cases that you would like to talk about in here. And then whenever you see this create assignment, you can actually assign this to your class so that they can see it online. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you just click on this create assignment, and then you're able to choose your class from a drop-down menu. You can provide instructions for them, and then you click assign, and they should be able to see it when they log in. I am not going to do that in Kathy's account. Now, you may ask yourself, how do I get my class in there? Well, if you come up here to the right-hand corner where your initials are, and you click the drop-down menu, and you go to settings, you can actually click on your classes, and this is how you would add your class. I already added Kathy's class for her, but you will have the option. You don't want to click the create a class because you'll have to do it manually. You'll have the option to sync now or do a roster sync. So you click sync now, and it will ask you to choose how you want to sync. You want to use ClassLink. You want to sync with ClassLink. And then your classes will show up. You'll check the ones that you want to sync, and then you will hit the sync selected classes button. So I've already done hers, but it will ask you to choose. So when you click this button, first click this button to sync your class in. It will ask you Google Classroom, Clever, Canvas, ClassLink, or Schoology. You want to choose ClassLink. And then your class will come in there, and your students will actually populate, and you'll see this. And then your students will log in the same way you do. So let me log out. Your students will log in using the launchpad.classlink.com/Shawnee, and they'll just use their regular username they use to get in the computer and password. So that is how you get in. There's tons of resources here. I hope that you use them and that you try it out, because I'll be sending a survey to see if you guys liked it. Obviously, there's a ton more features. You can just kind of play around and find what you like. You can find assignments that you have assigned here, and you can have your own binder with activity feed and power words and all kinds of stuff. Your content, you can save things and it will show up under your content. And actually, as students read through some of these things, it will pick up on some of the things that they're struggling with, and it will help them get reading down to their individual level. So it's a neat little resource, and I hope that you guys enjoy using it. Thanks.